Hi, Jim. This is just a little video tutorial to show you how to upload your books to your website. So all you really need to do is just log into the account, and then you need to upload one of your books. So to do that, you click on EZ-FileManager right here, and then we're going to click on Upload right here. Going to click on that, and then we can choose Browse. And you really just need to find the file on your site that you want to upload. In this case, I've made one called newbook.pdf. And once I've done that, I just go to upload right here. I click on that button. It'll take a few seconds. And then you can click on close. So now we have our file uploaded. If you look, you'll probably be able to find it if I do a search, for example. You'll see right here, it says newbook.pdf. So it's there. We're doing good. Now, all we need to do is add it to the home page. So I'm going to click on Construction Tools to get us back to the main menu. Then I'm going to go to Page Builder, or you can go up here too. Just click on Edit Home Page. From here, it's really easy to do this. The easiest way to do it is just to copy one of the existing ones. So let's just say we want to copy this one. Let's click on this little 2-page icon. I'm going to click on it. That's the copy icon. And then I'm just going to click copy right here, this little button. Once I've done that, you'll see that now there are two become your own boss of you. If we click edit, the little pencil icon, click there, you'll be able to change the text. And we're just going to call this my new book. Oops, my new book. There we go. And then we'll click on Easy Browse, this button right here. And we want to choose files of type and change it from HTML to all. Once I've changed it to all, I should be able to find my PDF. I'm looking for my one called New Book. You'll find whatever book it is you're working on, but I'm going to click this one, New Book, and then I'm going to hit Open right here. Now, if I go to Submit, just right here, I'll click on Submit, and look, New Book. And the last step is to save the page. So we go to File and then Save right here. Now, if you just go back to like your other browser, for example, you can click here, take a look at your site. You might need to hit the refresh button right here. It might be a little different place depending on your browser. But now you see my new book. If I click on it, it opens up this PDF file. So that's how this works. That's how you add a new book. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.